This question asks us to solve this one, so we've got to find the x and the y value, and it's asking us to do it via graphing. So we need to first put these in what we call slope-intercept form. We've got to put them in a form such that y is all by itself, kind of like what this bottom one is. This top one is currently not in slope-intercept form, so what we'll need to do is move this 2x to the other side. I've got a positive 2x here, so I'm going to subtract 2x from both sides, and then that will put it in the correct form. And the correct form should look like this. All I did is I took this 2x here and I subtracted that from both sides, so y in this case would equal negative 2x minus 1, and y equals negative 2x plus 3. That came from right here, this second one here. Now when we're asked to solve it by graphing, we're going to do that. You can either do that, just take out a graph piece of paper and start graphing that one. I recommend using your calculator. So we'll bring up our calculator right now. You go to your y equals button. You got to clear all these out so it's the only thing in there. And then we're just going to type these in exactly as we see them here. The negative button is down here right by the enter sign. It's on the bottom. Negative, it's not a subtraction sign. Negative 2x minus 1. And the next one is going to be negative 2x plus 3. So I enter in both of these equations, one into y1, the other one into y2. And then I just hit graph. Now this is on a standard window, so if you go zoom 6 will work. But here's what the graph looks like. There's my first line. And here comes my second line. Something very unique here. We're asked to solve this one. So we're looking for the value in which, where they cross, they intersect. But what you notice here is they both have the same slope of negative 2. So that means these two lines are parallel. They will never intersect. So there is not a solution on this one that will work for it. Okay, so here's kind of what your graph looks like. They never intersect. Because they never intersect, your answer would simply be no solution. There is nothing that will make these two that will work in both scenarios here because they never do intersect.